Hi, I'm Danny the plumber. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to correct this leaking wall mount bathtub faucet. Before you begin, make sure you shut the main water to your house off. First step is to remove the handles. In this case, there's a metal handle holder on the outside that just keeps the porcelain handle intact there. I'm going to simply remove that along with the porcelain. Next, there's a locking nut that keeps the cartridge in place. Remove that by turning it counterclockwise. Get your open-ended adjustable wrench. Of course, the water must be turned off prior to this step. Very important. And unscrew that cartridge counterclockwise. Next, you're going to have a little residual water, but not a problem. I want to clean that out with a little wire brush, but not too aggressively. Next, I'll follow it up by just a clean rag. We'll clean that out. Take that cartridge to the hardware store and match it up. All right, once we have that cartridge, I can see that the cartridge I bought is the handle is the stem is a little bit longer there, but have no fear, we'll correct that in 1 second. Next, I want you guys to screw that into the wall as tight as you can with your hand. Follow it up by open-ended adjustable wrench clockwise. Next, I want to get that thing pretty snug in the wall, but of course not hard enough where I can pull the whole valve out. And I don't go completely hard, and I'll show you why in a second. Followed up by the locking nut. Get that thing in there, hand tight, followed up by an adjustable wrench also, just a little bit. And now we can get our handle back in. But you see that little distance there. We can leave that, but it's ugly, so I don't want to leave it. I want to take a measurement. I can see that I have about probably a quarter of an inch or so. So I'll put a little mark, quarter of an inch. I will take my tiny Tim and I will simply cut that quarter inch off. Now I will put the handle back in place, and as you can see in a second, there's not going to be that huge gap. It's going to be a nice tiny gap. Keep a little gap though. You want to make that handle still able to freely move back and forth on and off. Once I've done that, we're going to slide that handle adapter right into place, and I will put the porcelain part on. Be careful not to drop that porcelain part, by the way. It will definitely shatter quickly. I'll put that porcelain part on, and I want to make sure that my handles are perfectly level in line. I hate when people leave them like that right side there that I have not rebuilt yet, or the left side right now. There's a couple ways of fixing this. I can pull that handle out and try to put it back on the spline in a different location, or I can simply take the cartridge, just tighten it just a hair more. I didn't tighten it all the way before completely. I left a little leeway, and that is going to allow the handle to sit perfectly straight by just tightening it up a little bit more. And I'm going to dry run that without tightening it all together. And when it's in the off position, I can see that it's perfectly straight, perfectly level, unlike the other side there. So I will tighten everything down with my Allen wrench there, tighten the handle adapter in place. I will put the handle back on, and that'll be that. There will be no more drip. I'll rebuild the other side, and that'll be it. Please hit the thumbs up button. It helps the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.